Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to create bar chart trace using animations concept. First drag the sum of cases to the columns and then country region to color, and then create a calculated field to find the rank of each country based on the number of cases. So drag 2 rows and change the compute using to country. Now it will give the unique rank for each country based on the number of cases. So unchange it to discrete, and now we can will change the labels. So drag and drop date field onto the pages shelf and choose exact date. Then click on the play button. To turn on the animations, go to the format tab, choose animations and then select on.